this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, before I get into the video, make sure you like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Designed It family. So, if you all remember in the last live that I did, I told you all that I was going to make my birthday rhinestone t-shirt, but the materials that I had ordered for the t-shirt had not arrived yet. It actually arrived after the live video. All right, so I am here today to go ahead and make that t-shirt with you. So my birthday is in this month. I was born August the 12th. So I am already celebrating. Today is August the 1st. This video may come out August the 2nd or August the 3rd, but we're gonna make this t-shirt together, all right? So I wanna say happy birthday to everyone who was born in this fabulous month, all right? Leo season, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make this rhinestone t-shirt. Now, in my last live video, I had someone to ask me where I buy my flock from. I get my flock from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I absolutely love Heat Transfer Warehouse. All right, so I'm gonna be unboxing this flock with you. As you see right here, Heat Transfer Warehouse. So let's go ahead and open this box. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box up and just check out this flock. Now, I did go ahead and purchase the bigger flock than I had. The last time I had ordered, I just ordered some just to see when I did my first rhinestone shirt, just to make sure that I liked it and everything. So I did order a bigger one, okay? So as you see, here is the flock. Go ahead and take it out. All right. All right, y'all. So here it is right here. I ordered the 5 yards this time. All right, last time I think I ordered it was a very small one. Okay, so I'm going to be linking my very first rhinestone shirt in the card section. So make sure you go and check it out because that one is a very detailed tutorial that I'm showing you. And I make my I use templates, and I cut my templates with my Cricut machine. All right, so this is the flock. As you see, it is really nice. It's a velvet and it's pink, and on the back side it has this like paper backing. Okay, I absolutely love it. So this is what I'm going to be using to do my template on. Now let me go ahead and show you which template I am going to be using, okay? All right, y'all, so here is my rhinestone template that I'm going to be using, and it says Leo Girl. So what I did, I just uploaded it here into my Cricut design space. Now what I'm going to do is this cut image, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here to the right hand side and press upload. And what this does is just upload it here inside where I pick, my recent uploads, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go here to where it says add to canvas. I'm gonna click it, and it just places it here on my canvas for me to go ahead, size it, make sure the sizing is right, and cut it, all right? So that's what I'm going to be doing. All right, everyone, so here is my flock, and all I did was just put it on my mat here. This is my Cricut mat, and I took my roller, my brayer here, and just rolled it, okay? And again, look back at my very first rhinestone video for a step-by-step tutorial on how to do everything. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it, I'm going to place this inside my Cricut, I'm going to go into Cricut design space, and I'm going to choose the flock setting that I have already set in Cricut design space. Again, look at my video that I will be putting right here in the card section, as well as in the description box below, so that you can see step by step how to do everything. All right, so here is my template here, my rhinestone template here on the Mac and on the mat here in Cricut design space. Now remember, you don't have to mirror this image. Anytime you do rhinestone, you do not have to you do not have to mirror it. All right, so go here to where it says continue, press continue, And it says, please connect your Explorer, which I do have mine connected. All right, and see, I've already went in here and did my setting on the rhinestone flock that the settings for my Cricut. I'm just gonna click it. All right, so I always go to more. Just check and make sure your fine point blade is in, and make sure you clean your blade after each use to get any dirt or debris out of your blade, and make sure you sharpen it. All I do is just ball up a piece of aluminum foil and just take my blade and stick it in aluminum foil to sharpen it, but just make sure you be careful and just load your mat in. All right, everyone, so I have printed out my rhinestone template, and as you see, it says Leo Girl, okay? And what I did, I just separated it. So with the colors that I'm going to be using, I purchased this Beesland Hot Fix Rhinestone, and it is a SS10. All right, these are SS10s, and I'm going to be using these. And I also purchased some of the green Hot Fix Rhinestones. These are SS10s also, because this is the SS10s are what I'm going to be using. The SS10 is what the rhinestone template asks for. So your template may be different. It may be bigger stones. Just make sure you pay attention so that you will have the right stones. All right, I have my rhinestone. I have my brush here. And I just have some other things that I may need. Scissors, my brayer. And another thing that you will have to get is masks. All right, this is the rhinestone template mask that you use, and I have all of this linked in the description box below. I also have my Bella Canvas black shirt that I'm going to be putting this on. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do a white shirt or a black shirt, but I decided to do a black shirt. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just pour some of the green out, and I think I'm going to do green for Leo, since that is the birthstones for, the colors for August is green. So I'm just going to take it and just pour it just like this. All right, I'm just going to take it and pour it all over my Leo here, and just use my brush to just brush it in. Okay, I'm just going to show you a little bit. And remember, I told you to go over to my where I did my first rhinestone shirt in order to, you know, get a step-by-step tutorial on how to do everything. Okay, but all I'm doing is just brushing this in. You can start from either side, however you want to do it. All right, you can use different color stones, hot fix rhinestones, or you can use the same. It doesn't matter. I just thought this green was super cute, so I decided to use that. Okay, so all you do is just rub it in just like this. And what I'm going to do when I finish this is go ahead and take the crystal, I have the crystal AB that I showed you before, and I'm just going to put it in Girl. Okay, and I'm just going to do the same thing and just rub it in. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and press my rhinestones on my shirt. I have my heat press set at 330 for 60 seconds. Now, I had someone to tell me on my on here to how to do my shirts, and the recommendation was to take my shirt and take it all the way up and have this part hanging over the heat, you know, the this part here, you know, the back part, the heat press. So that's what I'm going to do. And anytime you see me doing something wrong or there's a better way to do it, just let me know in the comments. You know, we're here to learn and grow together. So, you know, so I'm just taking it and just placing it just like this. Just make sure everything is straight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press it. That's just to get any moisture or anything out of your shirt. And you just do it for a few seconds. Okay, just like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down. I just want to put my design like right in this area here, okay? So I come down about 3 or 4 fingers, and I'm just going to place my design about right in this area here, okay? So I'm going to place it about right here. Now, one of these rhinestones did turn over a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my rhinestone picker and I'm just gonna turn it back over. Sometimes that will happen, so you have to pay attention as you're laying down your rhinestones, okay? Okay, so I went ahead and fixed it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the same area that I said before, which is about right here. Okay, that's about 4 fingers down. And I'm just going to slide it over just a little bit. Okay, make sure everything is even. All right, and I'm just going to place it down just like that. All right, just like that. And just make sure everything is lined up the way that you want it. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I have my Teflon sheet here. So what I'm gonna do is just take my Teflon sheet and place it over my design, my rhinestone design, and go ahead and press it, okay? And again, I have it at 330 for 60 seconds. All right, so it's done for the first press. Open it up and check it out. All right, go ahead and remove the mask from the shirt. It is a hot peel, so you can go ahead and remove it. Just make sure everything is laying down. No rhinestones is coming up. And be careful. I have heat gloves in the description box, so make sure you put your heat gloves on, okay? That is so cute, y'all. This is so pretty. Let me put this here. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Teflon sheet, place it back over the design, and do a second press, okay? And I also had someone to ask me if I always do second presses on my shirts. And yes, I do. The reason why you do it, well, the reason why I do a second press is just to make sure that the design, whether you're doing vinyl or rhinestone, to make sure that it's adhered to the shirt, especially vinyl. Because if you don't have the vinyl adhered to the shirt, it will start peeling. And you don't want that, okay? All right, the second press is done. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring you in for a closer look, but first I'm gonna go ahead and place the girl on here. Remember, it says Leo girl because I am a Leo. This is my birthday shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the girl on there and then press it. All right, so let me show you this. This is the Crystal AB. You see how shiny it is? You know, just looking at it on this camera does it no justice. It is absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to place it here because the O has just a little opening here for the L to go in. So that's how I'm going to place it. All right, so I have it the way I want it. And it's the L part is going over the O. I'll show you that in a minute. But I love it. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Teflon sheet. I'm gonna cover the design. And I'm going to press it. gonna go ahead and take the mask off of here, of the girl. Oh y'all, this is so cute. I love it. All right, so what I'm gonna do, take my Teflon sheet, place it back over the design. Okay, and this is the second press for girl. Alrighty, so now it has been pressed. And one thing I forgot to do, y'all, was use my lint roller. So make sure you use your lint roller, okay? I forgot. So I'm gonna bring you in for a closer look, okay? All right, so you see that Leo right there? And I did that one in green, and I did the girl in crystal AB. Look at that shine, y'all. That is blinging. I love, love, love it. I am going to be wearing my shirt. Leo girl, my birthday is coming up very soon, so I am super excited. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and I just want to say happy birthday to all my Leo sisters and brothers out there. All right, if your birthday in August, happy birthday. I just want to say happy birthday to my brother, whose birthday is today, August the 1st. This is the day I'm recording this video. This video should come out August the 2nd or 3rd. But yeah, I am so excited, y'all. All right, I hope that you like this video. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. I do answer my comments, or if you have any questions, let me know also. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, and I will see y'all in my next video.